Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth headphones to your Redmi 14C. So all you have to do is ensure that Bluetooth has been enabled on your Redmi 14C. To confirm this, simply open the settings on your device, and then within the settings, scroll down and select Bluetooth. And then ensure that the Bluetooth has been enabled. So as you can see, mine has been enabled. So once you've enabled your Bluetooth on your device, the next step is by putting your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. So this might differ with different Bluetooth headphones. So refer to your manual on how to do that. So for this particular Bluetooth headphones, all I have to do is press and hold the power button until it's in pairing mode. So let me just do that. So once it's in pairing mode, you might see this prompt depending on what Bluetooth headphones you have. So you can simply tap on connect and it will connect. But if you don't see this prompt, all you have to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your device and then tap on refresh to scan for any available Bluetooth devices. Now once your Bluetooth headphones has been discovered, so this is my Bluetooth headphones, all I have to do is tap on them. And then you should see this prompt, pair with that particular headphones. All I have to do is select pair. Connected. And you should see your Bluetooth headphones has been successfully connected to your Redmi 14C. And now you can use your Bluetooth headphones to listen to music, videos, and any other thing that you'd like to use it for on your device. So that's basically it on how to connect a Bluetooth headphones to your Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.